Hello everyone, let us learn a poem, Thomas Alva Edison. Now look at this picture. What is it about? Yes, it is an electric bulb invented by the great scientist Thomas Alva Edison. He was an American inventor and businessman who has been described as America's greatest inventor. He developed many devices in fields such as electric power generation, mass communication, telephone speaker, and microphone. In the present poem of Thomas Alva Edison, we are going to know more about Thomas Edison. He struggled a lot in his life. The poem tells us about the life history of Thomas Edison. Let us see through this wonderful poem written by Vivian Gold. Thomas Alva Edison, a most unusual boy, never really bothered much with any childish toy. In this stanza, the poet describes Edison's childhood. He says that Thomas was very unusual, very different from other boys since his childhood. He didn't show any interest in toys like other boys. His teacher thought he couldn't learn and sent him home from school. But Tommy's mother knew for sure he wasn't any fool. This stanza tells us that when he was a child, he was not showing interest in studies. Even his teachers got difficulty. So one day his teacher sent him back home saying that he is good for nothing. But his mother consoled him by saying that he was a genius and not a fool. He worked as newsboy on a train. He learned to telegraph. The way he concentrated made some people laugh. In this stanza, the poet talks about the struggles Edison faced and the jobs that he took out as he grew older. He sold candies and newspapers in trains, and then he learned how to send telegraph. The poet also says that Edison was a keen learner, but people never missed any chance of making fun of him. But nothing bothered Edison. He made a large number of inventions in his laboratory and went on inventing more and more devices. Thomas Alva Edison had inventions by the score. In his laboratory, he kept inventing more. This stanza explains that people also thought that Edison was a mad and stupid boy. However, Edison still continued with his skill development. Edison was very curious from his childhood. This shows that there cannot be success without hard efforts. The phonograph, electric light with fuses, sockets too, a super storage battery, and movies were a few. In this stanza, the poet proudly announced the list of the inventions made by Thomas Edison. Edison began his career as an inventor with the telegraphic devices. The telegraph was his first big financial success. Then he didn't turn back. If not for Mr. Edison, how dull our lives would be. We might not have the radio, the X-ray, or television. This stanza tells us that if Mr. Edison would not be there, our lives would be dull and we might not have the radio, the X-ray, and the television. So what do we learn from this poem? Failure is the first step towards the success. Make mistakes but learn from it. Always be positive. Keep working hard to get success. Hope you all enjoyed the poem. Thank you.